Hey guys, my name is Kenny. I'm going to show you how to go from straight hair like this to curly hair like this. Now the first thing I want to say is that everybody's different, so everyone's going to get different results. If you don't already have super tight curls, you're probably not going to get them unless you do a perm. But I didn't want to put all those chemicals in my hair, which is why I'm doing it this way. Now the first thing I want you guys to do is to identify all the parts of your hair. I didn't realize I had wavy hair in the front until I started to grow it out. Pretty much all my hairs in the front are wavy, but the rest of my hair is all straight. If you've never grown out your hair, that's the first thing you should be doing to see if you have any wavy or curly hair anywhere. Since my hair is wavy only in the front, pretty much 90% of my hair is straight. Alright, now the first thing I did is make my hair wet. It shouldn't be dripping, it should just be damp. If you're just coming out of the shower, you can use your towel to scrunch your hair to help make it curlier. But don't rub your hair because then that'll make it frizzy. So pretty much what I'm going to be doing is applying these 3 products and then blow drying my hair. And then using a gel after that to keep it in place. The first thing I'm going to start with is this Tresemme heat spray. And this is to protect your hair from damage whenever you're blow drying it. Now these next 2 products are really what's going to help make your hair wavy or curly. And we're going to start with this texturizing sea salt spray. This is probably the cheapest one you can buy at Target. If you ever notice how different your hair felt when you came out of the ocean, then you know what this stuff does. This is supposed to give texture to your hair and give it some volume. Whenever I would come out of the ocean, my hair would be really wavy. So this is supposed to help with that too. I'm going to be leaving links to all the products I use down below. Next, I'm going to use this Cantu Curl Activator Cream. And like the name, this is supposed to activate your curls and deliver volume and shine. If you have frizzy hair, this will also help take that away. You should be using enough to get it all over your hair. Just from using this, you can see how curly my hair is getting in the front. Like I said, if you have wavy hair, it's definitely easier to make it curly. But if you have mostly straight hair like I do, it's definitely harder to do it, but I think it's working. Now to actually make the rest of my hair wavy or curly, we have to use a blow dryer. When you're blow drying your hair, you should take your hair piece by piece and twirl it around your finger. When you're going to use a blow dryer, make sure you have a diffuser. What we're pretty much going to do is dry the hair section by section, and what you should be doing is wrapping your hair around your finger. Wrap your hair in one section and then blow dry it. You can also go in a circular motion to help. If you have really straight hair, you should probably get some hair ties and tie it section by section. You would have to leave them on overnight and then take them off in the morning. Wrapping your hair around your finger is the next best thing to do, especially if you don't want to take too long in the bathroom. Now after blow drying it, my hair is pretty much all over the place. Now before I apply the gel, I'm going to show you exactly what happened so far. At this point, pretty much all the hair in my front curled up, and most of my straight hair is either wavy or starting to curl. As of right now, I have more wavy hair on this side, but I still have some straight hair on this side. If you have some straight hairs left, you should go back and apply more of this, and then blow dry it again. Now to make your curls hold, you can use a pomade or other products, but I use a gel. And this one is supposed to give you max hold and max shine. I've always liked the curly wet hair look, so that's why I use this. To help keep leftover straight hairs from sticking out, I move my hair in different directions and then I pat it down. You might still get some hairs that stick up, so just mess around with it until it's the way that you like. At this point, pretty much none of my hairs are straight anymore. I still have some hairs that are sticking up, but this is pretty much what you get. Again, I'm going to leave links to all the products down below. And that is how you can get naturally curly hair from straight hair. Again, my name is Kenny. Like this video if I helped you out, and subscribe for more videos just like this.